Welcome to day 6 of the Health and Happiness Qigong Reboot. This is a 25-day challenge where we're rebalancing and really boosting the health of our overall system. Today we focus on the endocrine system, and that's really starting in the brain with the pineal gland, responsible for the release of melatonin, the pituitary master gland of the entire rest of the body. Also working into our thyroid and parathyroid in the throat, then moving into the adrenals on the top of our kidneys and our ovaries and testes. And there are other components, but these are kind of the heavy hitters in terms of our physical and emotional health and well-being, as well as our mental clarity. Let's go ahead and come into our space, grounding in our feet, bending the knees gently, tucking the pelvis, lengthening the spine, dropping the shoulders. And we begin by inhaling. The palms flow out, the arms come to shoulder height, the hands come over, and we exhale through our nose as we float the hands down through center. Inhale, the hands and arms float up again, this time bringing the palms together, floating the hands to your heart center and gazing at your fingertips. Breathing in and out the nose. Separate the hands, one hand open, the other in a loose fist to greet it, and set the intention to go deep within today, deep within your brain, your neck, your torso, really focusing on these deep parts of the endocrine system within your body. Bring the hands, palms face down, as we'll connect to our breath, inhaling and exhaling through the nose. Try to inhale for at least 4 counts and exhale for 4. Your gaze soft in the distance. Another really critical part of the endocrine system is your pancreas, on the left side under your rib cage with your spleen and stomach. You'll focus deep within there as well. Feel the cool breath as you inhale, moving down deep within as you allow your lower abdomen to relax and move out. And the warmth of your breath when you exhale at the very end, squeezing your lower abdomen in. We'll do one more breath here. And bring your hands to your hips. We're going to start with a gentle neck warm-up, and then we'll move to a quite vigorous movement, really working on the thyroid, parathyroid, as well as when we move to the more vigorous movement, we'll be working within the endocrine system and in the torso. Begin by inhaling, turning your chin over one shoulder, gazing far behind you. Exhale, return to center. Inhale, turn your chin over the other shoulder. Exhale, float back to center. This beautiful warming of the neck as you inhale, lift up, gaze up. A great massage for your thyroid, the parathyroid. Exhale, floating the chin down. Inhale, tuck the chin, gaze at the floor or the navel. Exhale, return. We'll repeat all 4 directions. Inhale. Exhale, return. Inhaling the other way. Exhale, come back to center. Inhale, lift the chin, gaze up and back. Exhale, lower. Inhale, tuck the chin, really feel the opening at the back of the neck. Compression at the front. And exhale, come to center. For this next move, if it's too rapid and vigorous, you can just do knocking on the door of life, but do move your chin over your shoulder. We are going to bring our fingertips in front, thumbs in back. This is, many of you might know it from Kundalini Yoga, but it's also part of an ancient Dalian practice. And we're going to inhale left, exhale right, vigorously through the nose, turning the chin. So I'll show you slowly first. Really bring the chin over the shoulder as you move from side to side. So we're going to do this very rapidly. The feet are about shoulder width apart, knees gently bent. Inhale left, exhale right. Let's go. We're going to be here for a while, so if you need to modify and do knocking on the door of life, that's fine. Make sure to turn the chin. This is so good also for the pineal and pituitary glands because it opens channels of energy and the flow of blood to the brain as well. You're doing a good job. Keep that breath. Inhale left, exhale right. Keep the knees bent, the pelvis tucked. We'll do a few more. Release. Bring your feet back to hip width apart. Hands hang heavy by your sides. Close your eyes. And scan your body from the head all the way to your toes. Down your neck and shoulders to your fingertips. What do you notice? Open your eyes, and now we'll come down to the floor. Cross one ankle in front of the other, and you can go down any way you want, but this is such a great method for continuing to have strength in the joints and all of the supporting stabilizer muscles, and also really good for your spine. So bring your palms up at shoulder height, lean as far forward as you're able. Bend the knees, start lowering the hips, coming down to the ground. Good. From here, we'll come onto our hands and knees and bring your two fists between your knees. The feet are straight behind the knees. Coming up, we're going to be doing the third rite in the 5 Tibetan rites. It's a blend yoga and ancient Qigong practice. You'll place your hands on your back. If you know you can do a full camel and go all the way back, that's fine. But we don't want any compression in the lower back. We're going to lift up, lean back on the legs. The chin is up. And then we bring our hips to our heels. Tuck the chin, hands by your sides. Inhale, lift up, come up. And then we'll exhale, curl down, really tuck the chin. This is a massage for the thyroid and parathyroid. It works on the ovaries and testes as well, and the brain, everything. The pancreas. It's such a good one. We'll do one more. Inhale, lift up, chin up, and really tuck the chin as you come forward and down. And come up. Good. Now we're going to do kidney striking. We're going to be striking YongChuan, which is kidney 1 point. If you go to the ball of your foot, just under the curve, right in that middle well there, that's where we have the spring of life. That's this kidney 1 point. And we're going to strike with a firm, open hand, starting with your right foot first. So bring your right hand the thumb is on the navel, and the rest of the hand is below the navel. Just keeping that focus there. And the left hand is going to be striking on that YongChuan point. Your hand's quite big, so you're going to hit it. Don't worry about being exact. We're going to do it for 100 strikes, and then we'll switch feet. I am going to count so I get the right number. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100. Keep the hand there and inhale through your nose. Exhale through your nose. Switch your legs and switch your hands. The left hand comes onto the lower dantian, the thumb up by the navel, the other rest of the hand reaching down, and using the right hand, we'll tap on the YongChuan kidney one point at the bottom of this foot. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100. Keep the hand there. And we'll do one long deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Ideally, when you do these on your own, you'll do 12 breaths after the striking. And this is great to do anytime. It increases circulation, but it's also so good for the endocrine system. Now we're going to do another kidney movement, which is so interesting, but it's incredibly helpful because it strengthens the kidneys and adrenal glands, which then benefits the whole body. Puff your cheeks out like you're a squirrel holding nuts in your cheeks. And as you hold, you'll notice saliva building in your mouth. Let the saliva build. And now let's swish it around in the mouth. Great for dental hygiene. And then swallow. Bring that, imagine the saliva, picturing it going all the way down to your lower dantian. We'll do that 2 more times. Puff your cheeks. Build the saliva. Swish. And swallow. 1 more time. Puff. Swish. And swallow. Great. Now we're going to do massaging along the inside of the shins. We're going to bring our thumbs just above the ankles, and we're going to press, working between the muscle and the shin bone all the way up. You'll notice sensitive points. Most people are very sensitive near here, around spleen 9. Also, some of the liver points are tender here, spleen 6. But these are so good for digestion. It supports the pancreas, which is essential for the endocrine system, part of the endocrine system, as well as digestion, which nourishes fluids in the body. The kidneys are here, kidney points are here as well. That's great for our adrenal glands, as we talked about, and of course the liver, and the beautiful liver, which really cleanses and stores blood and helps every function in the body. Try not to skip any points. You can do stroking. If you're too tender, you can stroke up the shins. See whatever feels best for you. We'll do one more. Good. Inhale. Exhale. And to come up, we'll reverse how we came down, and you can come up any way that feels safe to you. But if you want to work on that supple movement, the strength, let's go ahead, cross your feet at the ankles, bring them as close to your body as you're able. Bring your hands in front, palms up, lean forward, shift your weight to your feet, and then come up. Great. We'll end our practice with 4 natural respiration breaths, centering and calming our energy. So beautiful for the adrenal glands. Just letting go of all that stress and worry. Inhale, float the arms up to shoulder height. Bring the hands over. Exhale, float the palms down. Inhale, lift the arms again. Bringing the hands up and over. Exhale, floating the hands down through center. 2 more times. Nice deep breath in through the nose and out through the nose. We have 1 more after this. Cleansing your aura, balancing your chi, bringing it all to your lower dantian, your lower energy center. Step the feet next to each other so they're touching. Bring one hand onto the lower dantian, on the navel pointing down, the other hand on the back. Close your eyes and go within. Rock and sway. Rock and sway. Focusing deep within your brain, deep within your body. Breathing gently in and out of your nose. Take one last deep breath. Release your hands, open your eyes. Thank you for joining me for this endocrine healing, endocrine system focused practice to balance your hormones. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.